Back to my more important analysis videos of me, which market analyst at Asset Markets on Wednesday, 19th of July. Looking at cable, we've seen this sort of run higher starting to roll over, haven't we? That bear candle on Monday and a sort of bearish, engulfing bearish key one day reversal, whatever you want to call it, yesterday. Basically, the premise being you posted a new high and then closed below the previous session low. So subsequently, that is a turnaround candle. And today it seems to be putting pressure back on the downside again. Now 130 to 130.50 I'm sort of taking as sort of the basis of resistance really. That the old basis of old resistance that turns into support. And I sort of look at this chart and think, well, if you sort of start to trade below yesterday's low and close below yesterday's low, then I think that is putting pressure back on to the downside again. Because look at the stochastics, they have crossed lower. Now you haven't seen the RSI really deteriorating too much, or the MACD lines yet, but I think a close below 130 figure, which would be psychological as well, would start to change the outlook near term, and that could start to sort of pull back into 29.50, which is a sort of a little bit of a near-term breakout level on the hourly chart, and then possibly even sort of back towards 29 figure again, which is a bit of a pivot, 28.90 to 29 figure. The key level of support remains that 28.08 low, which was that low last week. And then for now, I think I'm still sort of remaining reasonably positive, although these last couple of candles have changed my view to a certain extent, as has the inflation disappointment for the UK, which sort of takes the pressure off the Bank of England, and one of the reasons why the sterling has strengthened so much in the last few weeks has been the fact that noises out the Bank of England have been pointing towards possible rate hikes. So that sort of eases the pressure on the Bank of England to do that with that inflation data. So I'd be sort of less inclined to sort of be seriously buying sterling around these levels. And I think a near-term correction could easily be setting in. So below 130 figure, I think that starts to generate the momentum of that correction. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.